Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. People have asked me how I sharpen a chainsaw chain. I use a file. This is the file I use. I don't know if you can see or not. You see these right here? See how they're angled? See how that file is? See how that one is? This one right here. You just keep the process going. Sorry about that, wrong angle. This is how you sharpen a chainsaw chain. You just keep going. It's that simple. This is my Hart brushless 40-volt chainsaw. I've been using it quite a bit. It's a good chainsaw. I like it. But that is the process you do to sharpen your chain. If you don't sharpen your chain, it ain't gonna cut. Excuse me, I'm tired. It ain't gonna cut worth a darn. You gotta keep these teeth as sharp as you can get them. Keep them at a point. I also work on riding lawnmowers. This one right here. It's probably going to need a new carburetor. Probably also a new starter. I've not checked the starter yet. But this one right over here, it runs, but to get it running strong, what you have to do is spray gasoline directly into the carb because it's not wanting to. The carburetor is bad on it. I gotta get a new carburetor, and it takes to get the carburetor off, you're going to take all this off. See this exhaust flange? You got to take all this off. If you guys got any questions, feel free to message me. Also, feel free to comment in the comments section. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.